Alright everyone, the time has come to announce the first winner of the first giveaway. So, let me explain something before I read the exact name of the person that won. There are more giveaways. This is not the, oh I didn't win, I guess I can never win. This is the, oh I lost this one, there's one coming up at 750 subs and one coming up at 1,000. At 750 subscribers, I'll probably be giving away another Red Devil RX 580 just by itself, not in a computer, and then at 1,000 subs I'm giving away the AMD computer. So it's not like there's no chance. So I know, I'm just trying to avoid, a lot of people are going to be like, oh I lost this, I can never win on this channel, time to unsubscribe. I know a lot of people are just here for giveaways, but some people, are here for other things, but that's fine. If you're just here for giveaways, just know that there's more giveaways coming up. So the winner, and the winner isn't going to be the only winner in the future. There's going to be more. Of course I get a text right now. Cut! Alright, we're back. I had to deal with that person texting me. But without further ado, I shall name the winner, and something will probably appear on the bottom of the screen. Maybe if I can figure out how to do screenshots in time. The winner of the i7 7700K RX 580 PC giveaway is Nikki Plays Games 14. Thank you everyone who entered. Stay tuned to the next giveaway. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.